Life before Sophia was free and easy. Life now is awesome in a different way.
Our first home, we lived there for 33 years, carrying me across the threshold. I was still very slim then.
The difference between a house and a home. A house is basically the exterior, whereas a home is what's inside.
It's the people and the things you do together as a family. So there's a remarkable difference.
Mr. Liu, you have cancer and you only have 5 years.
I was in Abu Dhabi at the time, so when he told me, I was devastated.
The door opened, was shocked.
Every of his treatment, I'm home.
And now a 0 marker cancer.
You know, we both want to be that old couple walking through the park hand in hand, help each other, because you got to help each other throughout life. I think seeing Laurel go from what we were before and that transition into the mother, taking the role of mum to exceptional levels.
I see the love that a mother can give to a child.
Building a life together, just going through the start of this journey.
There will be obstacles, there will be challenges. That's life. Stay strong and remember to go on date nights.